Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Divide the hairs into small parts like this, tie it. After that, divide it and then rotate it like this. Now make the plaits. Now tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits on it, fold it and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into small sections like this. Now fix it using the rubber bands as shown in the video. Now tie it as shown in the video. Take different color rubber bands, fix it like this and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail, make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now tie all the hairs together using the different rubber bands, fix them into small distance, pull out the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and fix this bun foam on the hairs. Now tie the hairs around it using the rubber band like this. Make the plaits on rest of the hairs, fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now divide it into two parts on the back. Make the plaits like this, fix it on the sides and the top like this. Make a butterfly, make the plaits on the sides, make a bun and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this. Now join all of them together on the one side. Make the plaits unfold it and fix it. Now take the hairs on the downside, fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.